How do you do a material takeoff in under 30 minutes instead of a day? Scan the space with your phone. Polycam can decrease estimate creation time by 80%. Here's why that matters and exactly how it works. A manual takeoff takes so long because the traditional pipeline has 6 steps and 5 handoffs. You've got the site visit, sketch, drafting, plan measurement, data entry, and then estimate. And each transfer is a chance for numbers to drift. On a fixed fee bid, small errors accumulate in one direction. Underestimated material comes out of the contractor's pocket, not the client's. In this process, the calculation itself takes an hour, and getting the right numbers to put in can take a full day, and that's before accounting for anything that was missed or measured wrong the first time. So how does a phone scan replace this manual measurement process? Well, you open Polycam, walk the room. The AI detects the walls, openings, fixtures, and furniture in real time as you move. The scan runs on iPhones or iPads with LiDAR, so that's the iPhone 12 Pro and later, and any iPad Pro with LiDAR. One Polycam capture produces 3 deliverables simultaneously: the floor plan, the 3D model, and the AI Spatial Report. What does the AI Spatial Report actually include? 3 categories of data directly mapped to takeoff line items. Room by room square footage, usable directly for flooring, paint, ceiling, and tile. Each room is its own line, so you're not manually breaking a floor plan into zones. Wall surface area is broken out by room, ready for drywall, paint, wall covering, and finish line items. Fixture inventory includes counts and dimensions of windows, doors, plumbing fixtures, appliances, and cabinetry for trim, hardware, and demo scope, priced by unit. Polycam's geometry is accurate to within a 1/2 inch tolerance on standard interior captures. So how do you bring the takeoff data into Excel? Well, you export the spatial report as a CSV directly from the Polycam app or web interface. The file opens natively in Excel, which includes room description and value columns with 1 row per data point. Room by room, floor areas and wall areas, ceiling heights, fixture counts, and dimensions all labeled, all ready to map to your existing takeoff template line items. Then you apply unit costs, and the estimate is built. The estimator's job shifts from measuring off a plan to applying unit costs to numbers that are already there. That's a faster task with less room for the small areas that erode margin. So what jobs is this workflow suited for, and where doesn't it fit? Well, this workflow fits renovation estimates, residential and light commercial remodels, tenant improvement bids, and facilities maintenance scoping. It's particularly strong for finishes. Things like paint, drywall, flooring, tile, demo scope, and fixture counts are all line items that the spatial report feeds directly. It's not the right tool for structural steel takeoffs, MEP system pricing that requires engineered drawings, or ground-up new construction. For trades that need specialized takeoff software, Polycam feeds that process. It doesn't replace it. So how long does a scan actually take? Well, you can scan 1,000 square feet in 10 minutes. The floor plan, 3D model, and spatial report are available within 5 minutes of finishing the capture, which means you can verify accuracy on site before leaving by spot checking the model against real-world measurements. After the scan, the model is accessible from the app or any browser. And if a number needs verification or a question comes up back at the office, you just pull up an additional measurement from the model without scheduling a return trip. To summarize, to do a material takeoff from an existing space using Polycam, scan the room with a LiDAR-equipped iPhone or iPad. One capture produces a floor plan, a 3D model, and AI spatial report, accurate to within 1/2 inch in normal conditions. The spatial report exports as a CSV with room by room square footage, ceiling heights, door and window casing lengths, and fixture counts, the data categories that feed flooring, drywall, paint, tile, and demo line items directly. Open the CSV in Excel, map to your takeoff template, and apply unit costs. Measurement and documentation time drops from a day to 30 minutes. The 3D model stays accessible from any browser, so additional measurements don't require a return trip. You can start a 7-day free business trial at poly.cam and try it for yourself.